Hello friends, my name is Tukaram Dikshit. Today's date is 8 November, 8 December 2021. Today's our topic is inner classes in Java. In this chapter, we will discuss inner classes of Java, nested classes. In that nested classes in Java, just like methods, variables of a class to can have another class as its name member. Writing is a class within the another is allowed in Java. The class written within is called as nested class, and the class that holds the inner class is called as outer class. Nested classes are divided into two types: non-static nested classes and static nested classes. In non-static nested classes, these are the non-static members of a class. Static nested classes, these are the static members of a class. Inner classes, next one is inner classes. Inner classes, non-static nested classes. Inner classes are a security mechanism in Java. We know class cannot be associated with the access modifier private, but if we have the class has a member of the other class, then the inner class can be made private, and this is also used to access the private members of a class. Inner classes are of three types, depending on how and where you define them. They are follows: first one is inner class, second one is method local inner class, and third one is anonymous inner class. First one is inner class. Creating an inner class is quite simple. You just need to write a class within a class. Unlike a class, and inner class can be private, and once you declare an inner classes private, it cannot be accessed from the object outside the class. Following is the program that to create an inner class and access it. In the given example, we make the inner classes private and access the class through a method. In that class outer demo int num, curly bracket, inner classes in bracket, private class inner demo, curly bracket, public void main point, sys out, curly bracket complete. Here we can observe that outer demo is the outer class, inner demo is the inner class, display inner is the method inside which we are instanting the inner class, and this method is invoked from the main method. If you compile and execute the above program, you will get the following result. This is an inner class. Access the private members. As mentioned earlier, inner classes are also used to assess the private members of a class. The next point is method local inner class. In Java, we can write a class within a method, and this will be local. This will be a local type, like local variables. The scope of the inner class is restricted within the method. A method local inner class can be instated only within the methods where the inner class is defined. The following program shows how to use method local classes. In that, if you compile and execute the above program, we will get the following result. Third point is anonymous inner class. An inner class is declared without a class name is known as anonymous inner class. In case of anonymous inner classes, we declare and institute them at the same time. Generally, they are used whenever you need to override the method of a class or an interface. Then next point is anonymous inner class as argument. In the same way, you can override the methods on the concrete class as well as the interface using an anonymous inner class. The next point is Static nested class. A static inner class is a nested class which is static member of the outer class. It can be accessed without static members. Just like static members, static nested class does not have access to the instance variable and methods of the outer class. Thank you.